Hundreds of people from different organizations and groups like Black and White Movement arrive at the Supreme Court in Manila after a 30-minute march from Adamson University along UN Avenue, supporting the Senate's move to appeal the Supreme Court's decision on the issue of executive privilege. Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Benigno Aquino III have filed before the Supreme Court today a 105-page motion for reconsideration on the High Tribunal's decision favoring the exercise of executive privilege by former Socio-Economic Planning Secretary Romulo Neri. Among the personalities present were United Opposition President Jejo Marbinay, spokesman for the opposition Adel Tamano, Congresswoman Riza Hontiveros Barakel, and actor Pen Medina. Cayetano and Aquino III submitted 32 copies of the 105-page motion that explained Neri's claim of executive privilege, which they said did not cover matters of national security and was not considered a state secret. Second, people's right to information. And lastly, the publication of the rules by the Senate twice on its website.
I'm just asking that they take a step back, look at the bigger picture, yung implications nito sa check and balances sa sistema natin ng gobyerno and future administrations, no, lahat ng kontrata na papasukin. So ako naniniwala that there'll be a lot of serious thought given to this, and I'm praying and hoping na ma-clarify o ma-overturn tong tingin namin ng mga masasamang doktrina na hindi makakatulong sa fight for good governance.
Cayetano also added that the motion seeks to clarify the extent of the coverage of executive privilege.
It basically focuses on executive privilege vis-a-vis the power to investigate. At number 2 yung sa rules, no? And basically ang sinasabi nito, iba-ibang parte ng Constitution, especially sa foreign loans, ay nagsasabing kailangan transparent and accountable. At ang executive privilege is a exception na kailangan patunayan ng Malacanang rather than sabihin lang nila military or diplomatic at automatically na ganyan ang mangyayari.
Meanwhile, an hour after the Senate's appeal was filed, the Supreme Court released a one-page statement saying that they will discuss the motion during its en banc session, which will be held in Baguio City on the 15th of April. In the statement, the Supreme Court said it is the right of the Senate to appeal the decision. The High Court also assured that it will resolve the motion based on the rules of court and the Constitution. For Global News Network, Marian Olvior reporting.